Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over the formula pattern scale for the key of G minor, and we will just be doing harmonic minor for this video. So I'm going to review that scale real quick. We've got Do, it's G, Re, A, May, B flat, Fa, C, So, D, Lay, E flat, and then T. Notice that augmented second here, big stretch between fingers 3 and 4, and then Do. Fingering for this scale is standard 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. The left hand also cross with 3 and cross with 4. Two main points to consider when you're studying these formula pattern scales. Point number 1 is, are your hands playing parallel, same directions, scale notes happening at the same time? So they're either going up or down together. Or are your hands playing contrary motion, which is kind of like swimming? Opposite direction. So left hand's going down the scale, right hand's going up the scale. This can be confusing for scales with black keys because the hands are not playing the black keys at the same time. Well, sometimes they are, but sometimes the fingers want to play the same color notes. So just keep that in mind as you're doing their contrary motion. So item number 2 is organizing the scales into segments. So if you look at the diagram above, you'll see each segment is 1 octave. So you're going to move segment 1 is an up parallel segment. Then we've got out, then in, that's contrary, then up and down, parallel, out and in, contrary and down. So the little skinny ones are the parallel ones, and the ones that look like big diamonds, those are our contrary motion scales. We're going to lock in the fingering and the changes for the 2 octave formula pattern scale using a technique of short and long rhythms. So we're going to start with Do and Do. Here we go. Our first segment is up and it's a parallel motion. Right hand's crossing under 3, left hand over with 3, right hand under 4. Now right hand's going to continue on up. We're going out, contrary motion. It's going to feel different between the black keys and the hands. Coming back in. They still cross at the same time though. Now left hand's going to continue on up. Right hand's going to change direction. So parallel motion, then coming down, parallel motion. Now left hand's going to continue on down. We're going to go out and in again, contrary. Now in. Right hand continues down, cross with 4. Now here it is without the dotted rhythms. Now here it is without the short long rhythms. Up, same direction, parallel. Now out, right hand continues up, contrary. Both hands change direction, in, contrary motion. Now left hand, up, parallel motion. Same notes at the same time. Down, parallel motion. Now we're going to go out, left hand's going to continue down, right hand's going to switch direction. And in, contrary motion. Right hand continues down, parallel. So the only thing that changes when we switch from 2 octave formula pattern scales to 4 octave is the length of a segment. So in 2 octave formula pattern, our length of the segment was 1 before we switched. Now, so segment 1 starts here, up 2 octaves, out, in, up, down, out, in, and down. The hands are 1 octave apart for all of this. The 2 octaves can be a little more tricky to keep track of with these harmonic minor scales. So I'm going to do it nice and slow. So here we go. Now here we're coming on our out. Right hand's going to keep going up. Feels different with the black keys between the hands. Now contrary motion, in. Cross with 3. Cross with 4. Now left hand keeps going up. Right hand changes direction. Now we're parallel. Same notes at the same time. And turn around, down, parallel. Now right hand's going to change direction. We're going to go out, contrary. And in, contrary. Now right hand continues down, left hand turns around. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of G Harmonic Minor. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique and piano literature. Thanks again for watching.